Hello friends, how are you all? Trust all of you all are well. Whenever we are dining at a restaurant, we often hear one statement, सिरका प्याज लेके आना, vinegar onion जरूर लेके आना. Now, vinegar onion or sirka pyaz is one thing that has flown down from the 5 stars down till not only the restaurants, the dhabas, the small eateries, even to the dining tables at home. So that is one. Everybody loves that. Along with that, what we love is the pickle, the Indian style pickle. Now, on the dining tables, in the restaurants, and in the eateries, and in the dhabas, and even at home, we have the continental type of pickle, that is onion in vinegar, one, and we have the Indian version of the pickle, which is also known as the achar, two. But can we have something in between the two? Yes, something in between the two is this. Well, come, let's go to the kitchen and let me show you how I made this. So these are the vegetables that I will be taking, but you can take any more vegetables you wish. And how to slice a cucumber with a knife and the vegetables, you can refer back to this video which I had done a couple of days back. And I have given quite a few tips in that, so you can refer back to that video. After you have chopped all the vegetables, now we'll move all the vegetables to a bowl. One by one, we'll move all the vegetables to a bowl, and then once we do that, see, this is exactly how it has to be chopped. The onion must be chopped in 4 or in rings, whichever way, or in slices, whichever way you wish. Just mix a little, and now this is 35 grams of natural salt. So we'll sprinkle the salt, and then we will mix the salt well, very well with the vegetables, so that the salt coats all the vegetables and induces osmosis, whereby the excess of water in all these vegetables is released. Once the water is released, so let's mix all of them very well. Once it has been done, we'll set it aside for about 30 minutes, and the vegetables will lose the water due to osmosis. Now we'll strain the water, and look at this blackish water that is coming. This is salt plus other things that we actually don't require. Now, once the vegetables have been strained, and look at the amount of water they have released. Now this is the water that we certainly don't want, because this is going to spoil our pickle. Now we'll rinse these vegetables in running water for about 2 or 3 minutes, so that the salt is removed from them completely. And then we will move the vegetables to a bowl. Once the vegetables have been moved to a bowl, now we go for the next process, that is vinegar. You're going to add vinegar to it and sugar. Now why never to boil vinegar? Because acetic acid, evaporation point of acetic acid is 118 degrees, whereas water is 100 degrees. So as you keep boiling the water, what happens is that the acetic
can disturb your health and it disturbs your digestive system. So never to boil the vinegar. This caution must be taken. Now let's add the vinegar. Once the vinegar has been added, you can, if you wish to have a little less sour taste, you can add water also. That is about 50 to 75 ml of water you can add. So it reduces the extra sour in your pickle. Now we'll add the sugar. You can take any natural sugar for this. That is what I will prefer. But you can take any natural sugar. Once done, we'll mix it again and we'll mix it again very well. Once the vegetable has been mixed, look at the colors that have come out. Now is the time to taste. In case you want a correction, so this is the time. And when I was doing this, I realized I did not add salt. So a little bit of salt, that's about 15 grams of natural salt, had to be added to balance the taste, of course. And again, like earlier, we'll mix it very well. Once the salt, the vinegar and the sugar have been mixed, we will set it aside and begin with the next process. Now for the temper, we'll take mustard oil, that is 30 ml, and red chili powder 18 grams and cumin, that is 35 grams. It's time to light the fire. So let's light the fire. Once the fire has been lit, we'll place our pan, add the mustard oil. Now let me give you a tip about how to cook with mustard oil. This is fresh mustard oil that I have taken. I extracted this mustard oil today morning only. This is fresh mustard oil, just filtered. Now the tip is that allow the mustard oil to come to a smoking point. See, smoke has started arising. And slowly the blue colored smoke will be seen. When the blue colored smoke is seen, we'll reduce the flame and allow the temperature to drop. Once the oil is now become a little cooler, we'll add the cumin seeds. And as usual, stir and stir well. And when the cumin starts to change color to golden brown and that fragrance starts coming, we will add the red chili powder and we'll mix, we'll stir again. Once stirred, look at that beautiful color that is coming out. The golden brown now turns into reddish brown. That's it. We will not allow this to cook any further, otherwise the cumin is going to get burned. So look at that color. Let's switch off the flame and we'll pour this temper over the pickle. Once the temper has been poured over the pickle, we'll mix and we'll mix well now. Once again, look at that. Now the colors will change. Beautiful colors, isn't it? Feel like eating right now? Wait. Not yet. We'll set it aside to cool again. And once it is cool, our mixed veg pickle in vinegar is ready. We can have it now also, and we can bottle it also for further use. There you are. Beautiful, isn't it?
So friends, how was this recipe? Trust all of you all liked it. And I'm sure you're going to try it. And as I always say, I'm also sure that you're going to share it with all your nears, dears, friends, knowns and unknowns. And most importantly, your enemies and your foes too. And till the time we meet with another recipe, is thanks and bye from Chef Vijay Kumaraj. Have a nice time. Cook healthy, eat healthy, and live healthy.